awake. Good morning. Good morning, Lily. Good morning, Mom. My teeth are clean.
Put on your yellow shirt.
I like my yellow shirt.
Now put on your blue pants.
I am ready. Breakfast is ready, Lily.
Good morning, Lily. Come and eat.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. Sit down, Tom.
Lily, do you want bread or milk?
I want milk, please.
Please. Here you are, Lily.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad. The milk is good. I have an apple. I have bread and milk.
Good job, Lily.
Is your breakfast good?
Yes, it is very good.
It is time for school, Lily.
Okay, Mom.
Take your school bag, Lily. Goodbye, Lily. Goodbye, Tom.
I am happy. Oh, a yellow bus. Many kids are on the bus.
The school is next to the park.
Ha! I can see my school.
Here is your school, Lily. Do not worry, Lily.
I am okay, Dad.
I am ready for school. Hello, Lily. Hello, teacher.
Come in, please.
Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Dad. Goodbye, Lily.
The classroom is nice.
This is your desk. My desk is small. Sit down, Lily. Thank you, teacher. Open your bag, Lily. Okay, teacher. Take out your green book.
This is my green book.
Take out your red pen. This is my red pen.
Do you have a pencil?
Yes. I have a pencil.
Good job, Lily. Oh no, my name tag. What is wrong, Lily? My name tag is lost. I can help you.
I am Ben. Nice to meet you. Hi, Ben. I am Lily.
Is it on the desk?
No, it is not.
Is it under the chair?
Let's look.
No, not under the chair.
Is it in your bag? I will check my bag. No, it is not in my bag.
Look in your pocket.
My pocket? It is in my pocket. Great!
Good job, Lily.
Thank you, Ben.
Thank you, teacher. You are okay now, Lily.
Yes.
I am okay now. Put your things in your bag, Lily. Okay, teacher.
Goodbye, Lily. Goodbye, Ben. Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Lily. See you tomorrow. Lily is here.
Mom. Dad.
Was school good today?
Yes. School is great. My name tag is here.
Let's go home, Lily.
Okay, Dad. Let's go home. I am happy.
We are happy too, sweetie.
We are home.
Hi, Lily. Hi, Tom. Take off your bag, Lily.
Okay, Mom.
Was school good?
Yes. It was good.
Do you have a new friend?
Yes. Ben is my friend.
Wash your hands, Lily.
Okay, Mom.
You did a good job today.
Thank you, Dad.
Today was a good day. Good night.